Now we are going to solve first problem of exercise 13.1, chapter 13, class 7. In this problem it is given that find the value of 2 power 6, 9 power 3, 11 square, 5 power 4. So first one is 2 power 6 means 2 is multiplied 6 times. So which is equal to 64. Next second one is 9 cube. 9 cube means 9 is multiplied 3 times. So which is equal to 729. Next third one 11 square. 11 square means 11 is multiplied 2 times. So it is written as 11. 11s are 121. Next 5 power 4 means 5 is multiplied 4 times, so which is equal to 625. Now we are going to solve second problem, exercise exponents and powers, class 7. In this problem it is given that express the following in the exponential form. A total 6 bits are given. So first one is 6 is 4 times multiplied, so it can be written as 6 power 4, and t is multiplied 2 times, so it can be written as t square. And third one, b is multiplied 4 times, so it can be written as b power 4. Next fourth one, 5 is multiplied 2 times, 7 is multiplied 3 times, so it can be written as 5 square into 7 cube, which is written as 5 square 7 cube. Next fifth one, 2 is multiplied 2 times and a is multiplied 2 times, so it can be written as 2 square into a square, which is equal to 2 square a square. Next sixth one is multiplied 3 times, c is multiplied 4 times, d is multiplied 1 time, so it can be written as a cube into c power 4 into d, which is equal to a cube c power 4 d. Now we are going to solve third problem of exercise 13.1. In this problem it is given that express each of the following numbers using exponential notation. So here 4 bits are given. First one is 512. To write 512 in exponential notation, we have to factorize 512 using prime factor. So after prime factorization we have 9 2's, so 512 is written as 2 power 9. Next, to write the exponential form of 343, we have to find the prime factors of 343 using prime factor 7. So we get 3 7. So 343 is written as 7 cube. Next third one, 729. To find the exponential form of 729, we divide it with a prime number. So we divide with 3, we get 6 3's. So 729 is written as 3 power 6. Next fourth one, 3125. To express this into exponent notation, we have to find the prime factors of 3125 by prime factorization method. So after dividing we get 5 5. So 3125 is written as 5 power 5. Now we are going to solve for the problem. In this problem it is given that identify the greater number wherever possible in each of the following. Here total 5 bits are given. So first one is 4 cube or 3 power 4. 4 cube means 4 is multiplied 3 times, and 3 square 4 means 3 is multiplied 4 times. So 4 cube is written as 4 into 4 into 4, which is equal to 64, and 3 power 4 is written as 3 multiplied 4 times, which is equal to 81. By observing these two numbers, we can say that 81 is greater than 64. So we can write 3 power 4 is greater than 4 cube. Next second one, 5 cube or 3 power 5, which is greater. To find this, we have to compare these two. 5 cube means 5 multiplied 3 times, and 3 power 5 means 3 multiplied 5 times. So we can write 5 cube as 5 multiplied 3 times, which is equal to 125, and 3 power 5 is written as 3 multiplied 5 times, which is equal to 729. By comparing these two numbers, we can say that 729 is greater than 125. So we can say that 3 power 5 is greater than 5 cube. Next third one, 2 power 8 or 8 square. We already know that 2 power 8 means 2 is multiplied 8 times, and 8 square means 8 is multiplied 2 times. So 2 power 8 is written as 2 multiplied 8 times, which is equal to 256. And 8 square means 8 multiplied 2 times, so which is equal to 64. Comparing these two numbers, we can say that 256 is greater than 64. So we can say that 2 power 8 is greater than 8 square. Next fourth one, 100 square or 2 power 100. We write 100 square, and 2 power 100 is written as 2 power 10 whole power 10. We already know that 2 power 10 means 1024. So this can be written as 1024 power 10. If we compare the bases 1024 is greater than 100. So we can say that 1024 power 10 greater than 100 square. So we can say that 2 power 100 is greater than 100 square. Next, fifth one, 2 power 10 or 10 square. We already know that 2 power 10 means 2 is multiplied 10 times, and 100 10 square means 10 is multiplied 2 times. So 2 power 10 is written as 2 multiplied 10 times, which is equal to 1024. 10 square means 10 into 10, which is equal to 100. By observing these two numbers, we can say that 1024 is greater than 100. So we can say that 2 power 10 is greater than 10 square. Now we are going to solve fifth problem, exercise 13.1. In this problem, it is given that express each of the following as a product of power of their prime factors. So here 4 bits are given. So first one is 648. To find the prime factors, we have to divide 648 with the prime number. So after dividing, we get to 3 2s and 4 3s. So it can be written as 2 cube into 3 power 4. Next, second one 405. To write it as a product of prime factors, we have to find the prime factors of 405. We get 1 5 and 4 3s as a prime factor. So 405 is written as 5 into 3 power 4. Next, third one 540. To find the prime factors, we have to divide with the prime numbers. So we get 2 2s and 1 5 and 3 3s. So 540 is written as 2 into 2 into 5 into 3 into 3 into 3. So here 2 is 2 times, 5 is 1 time, 3 is 3 times. So it can be written as 2 square into 5 into 3 cube. Next, fourth one 3600. To find the prime factors, we have to divide with the prime number. So after dividing, we get to 2 3s and 4 2s and 2 5s. So 3600 in 600 written as 3 square into 2 power 4 into 5 square. Now we are going to solve sixth problem of exercise 13.1. In this problem, it is given that simplify. Here total 8 bits are given. So we have to first simplify the first one. So 2 into 10 cube. 2 means 2 power 1 and 10 cube means 10 is 3 times. So it can be written as 2 into 10 3 times. So it can be written as 2 into 1000, which is equal to 2000. And second one 7 square into 2 square. 7 square means 7 is 2 times multiplied into 2 square means 2 multiplied 2 times. So it can be written as 7 into 7 into 2 into 2. 7 into 7 is 49 and 2 into 2 is 4, which can be written as 49 into 4, which is equal to 196. Next, third one 2 cube into 5. 2 cube means 2 is 3 times and 5 means 5 is 1 time. So we can write it as 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. 2 3 times multiplied means it is equal to 8 into 5 1 times means 5. So 8 5s are 40. Next, fourth one 3 into 4 power 4. 3 is only 1 time and 4 power 4 means 4 is 4 times multiplied. So it can be written as 3 into 4 multiplied 4 times. 4 times multiplied, which is equal to 256. So 3 into 256, we get 768. So 3 into 4 power 4 is written as 768. Next, fifth one 0 into 10 square. 0 means only 1 time. 10 square means 10 is 2 times multiplied. So it can be written as 0 into 2 times 10 multiplied. So which is equal to 0 into 100. 0 into 100 is equal to 0. Next, sixth one 5 square into 3 cube. 5 square means 5 is multiplied 2 times into 3 cube means 3 is multiplied 3 times. So it can be written as 5 multiplied 2 times into 3 multiplied 3 times, which is equal to 25 into 27. After multiplying 25 into 27, we get 675. Next, seventh one 2 power 4 into 3 square. 2 power 4 means 2 multiplied 4 times and 3 square means 3 multiplied 2 times, which can be written as 2 4 times multiplied with 3 multiplied 2 times, which is equal to 16 into 9. 16 into 9 is equal to 144. Next, eighth one 3 square into 10 power 4. 3 square means 3 multiplied 2 times and 10 power 4 means 10 multiplied 4 times. So which is equal to written as 3 2 times multiplied into 10 multiplied 4 times, which is equal to 9 into 10,000, which is equal to 90,000. Now we are going to solve seventh problem of exercise 13.1. In this problem, it is given that simplify the following. Here total 4 bits are given. So first one is minus 4 whole cube. Minus 4 whole cube means minus 4 is 3 times multiplied. So minus 4 into minus 4 into minus 4. Here 3 negatives, which is odd. So product is negative. So we get minus 64. Next, second one minus 3 into minus 2. whole cube. Minus 3 is only one time and minus 2 is 3 times. So we can write it as minus 3 into minus 2 multiplied 3 times. So here negative signs are even. So their product is positive. So result we get a plus 24. Next, third one, minus 3 whole square into minus 5 whole square. Minus 3 whole square means minus 3 is multiplied 2 times into minus 5 whole square means minus 5 multiplied 2 times. So which is written as minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 5 into minus 5. Here negative numbers are 4, it is even. So their product is positive. So 3 into 3 is 9 into 5 into 5 is 25. So final product is 225. So we write result as 225. Next fourth one, minus 2 whole cube into minus 10 whole cube. Minus 2 whole cube means minus 2 is 3 times multiplied and minus 10 cube means minus 10 is multiplied 3 times. So it can be written as minus 2 multiplied 3 times and minus 10 multiplied 3 times. Here the negative numbers are 6. It is even number. So product is positive. So minus 2 3 times multiplied we get 8 and minus 10 multiplied 3 times we get 1000. So 8 into 1000 is 8000. Now we are going to solve 8th problem of exercise 13.1. In this problem it is given that compare the following numbers. Here total 2 bits are given. So in first bit we have two numbers, that is 2.7 into 10 to the power of 12 and 1.5 into 10 to the power of 8. In these two numbers, to compare these two numbers we have to compare the 10 power exponents of 10 power. Here first number exponent of 10 is 12 and in second number exponent of 10 is 8. Here 12 is greater than 8. So we can write 10 to the power of 12 is greater than 10 power 8. So we can write 2.7 into 10 to the power of 12 is greater than 1.5 into 10 to the power of 8. And the second problem, given that 4 into 10 to the power of 14 and 3 into 10 to the power of 17. To compare these two, we first compare the exponents of the 10. Here in first number the exponent of 10 is 14 and in second number the exponent of 10 is 17. We already know that 17 is greater than 14. So we can say that 10 to the power of 17 is greater than 10 power 14. So the number 3 into 10 to the power of 17 is greater than 4 into 10 to the power of 14. Please like, share, subscribe our channel for latest updates by pressing the bell icon.